Hello, my name is Cynthia Solis, and I'll be talking about the extra artery found in the human forearm and how it will affect human evolution. Evolution began some 3.5 billion years ago when the first biological species appeared. Charles Darwin, an English naturalist, created the theory of evolution, which was dubbed the origin of species. His theory, published in 1839, states that all species are related and gradually change over time. Evolution affects everything around humans because of the evolution of one species influences the evolution of other species that coexist with the initial species by altering the natural selection process. Seeing that evolution is inevitable as the human race continues to evolve, scientists have been encouraged to learn how and why organisms develop to become what they are and what processes are actively changing. As scientists continue to research the human race's evolution, there have been numerous findings. According to Discover on January 17th, 2022, Donna Sarker said, "Our understanding of human evolution continues to change." To understand the importance of evolution, we must first explore the origins and history of evolution. Secondly, I will tell you about the current findings scientists have made when studying the developments of humans. And finally, I will analyze the future application, benefits, and possible drawbacks. Before I delve into the findings scientists have made, let's return to the origins of evolution. According to the National Geographic on June 7th, 2019, Anaximander speculated that humans must have descended from some other type of creature whose young could survive without any help. He was able to conclude that those ancestors must be fish, proposing the idea that all life began in the sea. Although Anaximander was correct, his idea wasn't a theory because it couldn't be tested to determine its legitimacy. According to the National Geographic on June 7th, 2019, many philosophers and scientists such as Erasmus Darwin proposed different aspects of what later would become an evolutionary theory. That being said, evolution didn't become a scientific theory until Charles Darwin, Erasmus Darwin's grandson, published his book on the origin of species, which proposed that evolution occurs because of a phenomenon called natural selection. According to the Pew Research Center on February 4th, 2009, Darwin argued two factors influenced evolution. The first factor is that each animal is marked by subtle differences that distinguish it from its parents. The second factor is that although variations are random, some of them convey distinct advantages that better equip the creature to survive in its environment. Now that we have a better understanding of Charles Darwin and his evolution theory, let's look at the remarkable advancements scientists have made in noting how the human body has revolutionized. According to the Journal of Anatomy on September 10th, 2020, after scrutinizing anatomical literature and cadavers from the 20th century, the researchers were able to discover that the median artery is currently present in approximately 35% of people. They were also able to determine that the median artery had become more prevalent in people in the mid-1880s, found around in about 10% of humans. According to Tegan Lucas's press release, the study demonstrates that humans are evolving at a faster rate than at any point in the past 250 years. Lucas says that he believes the median artery will become a much more common occurrence in the future. Now that you know more about the recent evolutions the human body has made, let's look at the future benefits and possible drawbacks of humans revolutionizing. Evolution helps us solve biological problems. According to the U.S. Museum of Paleontology, researchers have had a good understanding of evolutionary patterns of disease-causing organisms by staying one step ahead of pathogenic diseases. Thus, knowledge of evolution can improve the quality of human life. There are a variety of drawbacks that come from evolution. According to the Discovery Institute on February 20th, 2015, one problem that comes with evolution is that natural selection struggles to fix advantageous traits into the population. This is the problem because random forces or events can prevent a trait from spreading through a population, even if it provides an advantage. After learning about the origins and applications of evolution, let's step back and review the main points. Today, I have informed you about the origins of Darwin's theory of evolution and how it has allowed scientists to make discoveries on various species revolutionizing. As you can see, many critical factors influence evolution, allowing the human race and other species to survive natural selection and be alive today. Although there are potential drawbacks to evolution, it is certainly something that has changed the way scientists treat patients. Lastly, humans have revolutionized to become the very advanced species we are today. More awaits our species and every other species on our planet.